Hello, everyone. Just want to say really great first class. We're off to a great start for week one. I wanted to touch on a key point that we talked about, which is the accounting equation. We went over the accounting equation. Wanted to just give you a quick review about it, to go over it, and just to have it to make sure that you understand it. Now, when we look at the accounting equation, we're really looking at the balance sheet here. So we've got assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. And I wanted to touch on each piece of that really quick. So when we look at assets, um, it's a balance sheet item representing what a firm owns. So we mentioned some really great current assets. We've got fixed assets. So current assets, we know cash. We've got accounts receivable. Um, Longer term, we've got real estate. Then we have equipment. So these are assets, items that the firm owns, and they can be converted in cash. So key point, assets, it's a balance sheet item representing what a firm owns. Now, when we look at liabilities, now these are debts and obligations of the business. Now, they represent creditors' claims to those business assets. So examples of this could be notes payable, accounts payable. We have wages payable, salaries payable, income taxes payable, unearned revenue also count as liabilities. Key point, they're creditors' claims on those business assets. Now, the last portion is the owner's equity. Now, this is really when you take those assets, subtract out the liabilities, what's left over. This is really the capital that's left over to the owners of the company. This is what the owners have, or their claim to those assets, if you want to look at it like that. So again, owner's equity, think about it as you're taking the assets, you subtract out those liabilities, and what's left over is what you get for the for the owners of the company and the owner's equity. Again, just want to say great job. I want to just touch on this really quick, just give you something to think about. Good work. I'm looking forward to an awesome week two. Really had a great week one, a lot of good contributions, a lot of great work. Again, if you have any questions, any comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help, happy to help. Again, good stuff.